Welcome to Transportation Services. This video is to help you use the Enterprise Online Reservation System for CCU employees. From the Transportation Services page, click on Enterprise Vehicle Rentals. Then click on Rent an Enterprise Vehicle Now. This takes you to a step-by-step process of how to rent a vehicle. Click on Enterprise Online Reservations. Choose Conway, Nationwide Travel, or Leisure. This option provides a CCU employee personal use rental discount. Next, enter the location, date, and time for the rental and click Continue to search for available vehicles. Select the car class that is preferred. The next screen will be the Add Extras screen. Do not add any extras. Click Continue to review. Enter the renter's name, phone number, and email address. Underneath that, confirm trip purpose. Click Yes. Then enter your travel authorized number. You may also choose at this time to add your driver information to save time at the pickup location. Lastly, click Reserve Now to complete your reservation. Please contact Transportation Services for more information.